Hi guys, so today in this video I will show you how to troubleshoot a Tempur-Pedic bed remote that suddenly stops responding, won't move the bed and appears completely dead. So before you order a replacement remote, there are a few things that you should check because these are going to basically fix the problem. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply flip the remote over and you just have to simply remove this particular cover. So when you remove the cover, you are going to see the battery compartment. So over here, you just have to simply check the batteries. Even if the screen lights up and some buttons appear to work, weak batteries can reduce the signal strength enough to prevent the communication with the adjustment base. So now you just have to simply install a fresh set of batteries before moving on. Now after doing so, you just have to simply take a look at underneath the bed and then you just have to simply confirm that the control box is also receiving the power. You can check the power cord whether it is fully connected and that the outlet hasn't tripped. So a surprising number of dead remotes turn out to be adjustable bases that aren't powered on. Now you just have to simply unplug the adjustable base from the wall outlet and leave it disconnected for at least 60 to 90 seconds. Then once you have done that, you just have to plug it back in and allow the control box to complete its startup process. So this particular step alone is basically useful to restore the communication after power glitches and lookup. So after doing this, you just have to also basically resync the remote. So you need to locate the pairing or the learn button on top of your remote and then you just have to press it until the indicator light begins flashing. Then follow the pairing procedure for your specific Tempur-Pedic remote model and that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.